This free step-by-step video comes to you directly from Haynes. You can complete more than 200 jobs on this vehicle when you purchase the complete Haynes online manual at haynes.com.
Open the passenger's door and pull the bonnet release handle. Lift the safety catch and open the bonnet. Unclip the support prop from the wing and engage the end with the hole in the underside of the bonnet. Unclip and remove the cover over the battery. Slacken the negative lead clamp nut, then with a twisting motion pull the clamp from the battery terminal. Position the lead to one side to prevent accidental reconnection. Lift the quick release lever and disconnect the clamp from the battery positive terminal. Undo the 2 bolts and remove the battery retaining clamp. Lift the battery from place. Take care as it's very heavy. Locate the battery into position with the negative terminal at the rear. Refit the retaining clamp and securely tighten the 2 retaining bolts. Push the positive lead clamp firmly down over the battery positive terminal, then press the quick release lever down to secure it. Press the negative lead clamp down firmly over the battery terminal and tighten the retaining nut securely. Refit the cover over the battery. Detach the support prop from the bonnet and clip it into place on the wing. Firmly lower the bonnet and check it's secure. Before starting the engine for the first time, turn on the ignition and wait for 10 seconds to initialize the various electronic control units.